Well, bring us right up to speed. And first of all, how is Lara at the moment?
Lara's doing really well at the moment. I think she's just been absolutely overwhelmed with all the messages of support. I know I've been snowed in myself with so many lovely people sending just really, really amazing messages. And I think Lara is just really positive now. The whole family is positive that we had this match and can continue with what is still a long process. But we've got over a crucial hurdle.
Yeah, that is the point. I mean, I guess those messages, we see how buoyed up you were. We just heard that little bit from Lara. I bet the campaign itself has been giving you all a bit of a lift.
Oh, it's definitely given us a huge lift to see how much positivity and how much effort so many friends and family and how much they've done and how much they've gone out of their way to really help us tackle this ongoing problem that there is this disparity between different ethnicities and their chances of finding a correct donor. And so that's why we want to keep this momentum, keep this campaign going so that everyone can find a match.
Yeah, so that's the point, isn't it? The bigger the database, then the more likely is that people who, heaven forfend, may find themselves in Lara's position, the more likely is that they could find a match.
Yeah, we want all families to know that with the help of charities such as Anthony Nolan and Delete Blood Cancer, that they can have that assurance that their loved one will find a match. We know of another campaign, the Match for Ari campaign. It was this lovely 10-year-old half Vietnamese, half Iranian boy who is still waiting for a match. So that's why we need to keep using the force of this campaign to make sure children like him still have a great chance to find a donor.
Just take us back, Seb, because, you know, we're talking about the positive news flowing out of this campaign. But when Lara was first diagnosed and you discussed, she discussed, the whole family, I guess, discussed with the medical professionals battling to save her, looking for a donor, and you first heard about the odds against you. What was the reaction?
It's a horrible thing to have to hear, and you do worry, but I think what's been amazing is that we've always kept this positivity, and with so many people getting behind the campaign, it's allowed us to stay positive and stay hoping that a match would be found. We know so many people before us have put in so much work to make the registry as big as it is, and we just wanted to really tackle the problem of this difference between mixed race and ethnic minority people also finding a match.
And just tell us, Seb, I mean, just for people who'd want to sign up to one of these campaigns, just how simple is it?
It really couldn't be simpler. All you have to do is go online to a charity like Anthony Nolan, order a kit that they'll send to you in the post, you spit into the tube and then send it right back, all for free. And what that does is add you onto a worldwide registry so that people all over the world can search for a potential match and really help anyone suffering from blood cancer.
That's great to hear, and we better end as we started. Seb, where is Lara now in terms of her treatment? You said there is still, of course, a long road ahead.
There's definitely a long road ahead, but we have full faith in the medical and the transplant team. But Lara has to finish another round of chemotherapy and then go through a preparatory stage, then hopefully accept the stem cells well and keep strong so that she can keep going through what is going to be still a difficult period.
Seb, it's been great talking to you. Thank you very much indeed for that update, and do send from us to Lara all our very best.